It's new lawnmower day here at my house. Got a new lawnmower. Yes, it's electric, in case anybody was wondering. Got a new Ego lawnmower. Gonna replace this old Toro lawnmower. Runs on gas. Served well. It's very well used. Kind of falling apart. Still works. It's a really good lawnmower for my style of mowing my yard. I only need a push mower. It only takes me about 45 minutes. The Toro is pretty much the best mower you can buy if you want a gas mower. So getting ready to, it's going to the junkyard, or it's going to somebody else who really wants it. I might just give it away. So if you want it, hit me up. It still works, like I said. It may end up on the curb and then some neighborhood junk collector or somebody who needs it, they can just pick it up. So we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna see what's going on, and should be one of the best days of my life. Maybe. So we got some blades. Didn't know if those would come installed or not. Battery charger. This is actually the battery, it looks like. Girth to this thing. That's a big battery. And this is the charger, I'm assuming. So, battery, charger. Find a home for this in here. Pretty straightforward. Bagger. I'm assuming this is the frame for the bagger. Like a side discharge, I'm assuming. And we got book. There. Owner's manual, charger manual. Information. I will be registering this online. You should register it online. And I'm expecting this thing to be kind of light. And the whole box is about 89 pounds. Everything in it, I think, wasn't too bad. So, I mean, I am a man of above normal strength, kind of like a 50-year-old Hercules with a bad back. So, shouldn't be too bad. Let's get it up. So, pretty big, it's longer kind of than I thought it would be. It's definitely got a longer body than the other one. So, this is there's some okay, hardest part so far. Take this off. Excellent job, Eco, on the adhesive. This #1 rated battery black. Okay, so battery goes right in here. I don't know if the blades are on it or if those blades are. Oh, there's a set of blades on the bottom already. So there's 4 different kinds of blades. There's a high lift blade for the bagger, and there's a extended runtime lower blade, and there's a mulching blade. So this is supposed to be, this is going to be a, not going to be, it's a self-propelled model, and I'm going to just go ahead, and the battery probably got a little charge on it, so we'll put the battery in it, see what it sounds like when it's a spinning a little bit, and then, like I said, we're a couple weeks probably away from mowing, or at least a week, so what we'll have to do is I'll set it up, I'll put the bagger on it, and then we'll get back to the video. Okay, we got, this is the side discharge, fits in the back here, and it's a slot, kind of holds it in. Looks like there's a piece in the side here, it's to mulch. I believe when you put the bagger on, you have to take this piece out of there. So, side discharge, bagger, the bagger, pretty simple. Raise it up, lock it on, you're moving. Pretty straightforward if you've used lawnmowers your whole life, like most of us have probably. Plug the battery in, and the charger is, it's kind of loud. It's got a fan. Sounds like it's got a fan on it, so you don't overheat it and have a complete nuclear meltdown, burn your house down, people die. It would be tragic. So I'd say that's a good thing. We got this telescopes out, locks, lever. There's a couple different positions, I think, if you're short, or if you want to put it down like that. And overall, this thing is plastic. plastic and it's expensive. So I think the real money you're paying for is the battery and the motor itself. So they have really good reviews. There's a blade if you're going to use the bagger, and then there's a blade, I guess, if it helps you get more running life when you mow. This is supposed to give you 60 minutes of mowing. I probably am done mowing in 35 minutes in my yard. If I'm not so motivated, about 45 minutes. So it should be good for me with the one battery, as long as I keep it charged. While this battery, pop this off of here, put it in, see what happens. It's got 25% of the charge. So it locks in. Close the door. It does have headlights, LED headlights. And it has an indicator so you can see your battery life while you're mowing. I didn't read any of the instructions. I'm just trying to see if we can get the blade to spin. Oh. Sounds kind of like a spaceship. It's got a lot of torque, so we'll see. Couple weeks, I'll probably put my bagger blade on and I'll give it a run. We'll give it a run. I'll make another video so everybody can see how fantastic this thing is, or you'll hear me complain about it. Folds up. Oh, let me take the battery out. Place action there. And just back up the charger. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it if you can't see me. This is the battery charger. Got a home here. And we'll see. Overall, right now, I'm feeling pretty satisfied. This model I bought, it is on sale at Lowe's right now for $599. Wasn't cheap. But a new Toro, I was thinking maybe be with tax well over $400. So I didn't get my veteran discount at Lowe's because it was on sale. The sale price was better. But normally I would have saved the 10%. So yeah, that's what I did today. I'm gonna pack this thing up, figure out what to do with this old mower, and maybe go take a nap. See you later.